Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading idea. Today I'd like to show you a strong support on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. But before that, I'd like to show you a trade based on yesterday's analysis, which I sent you yesterday, because the trading setup, which I'm going to show you on the Australian dollar Swiss franc today, is the same trading setup as I used in my yesterday's analysis. The setup was a trend setup. So let me show you on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. That was the analysis I showed you yesterday. So in yesterday's video, I was talking about this downtrend and about significant volume cluster within the downtrend. This was the significant volume cluster. And I was talking about this resistance. As you can see, later yesterday, the price hit that resistance and there was this reaction. So this is how you trade the trend setup, right? This is how it played out. It was a nice trade. And today I'll show you the same trading setup on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So now the chart shows Australian dollar Swiss franc. You're looking at 30-minute time frame and there is a trend, a strong uptrend. So in here, we will be talking about support, right? So this is a reversed scenario because yesterday I was talking about resistance on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, because there was a downtrend. But today in here, we have an uptrend. So we will look for strong supports. So this is the strong uptrend. And what you want to do is you want to look for significant volume zones within this uptrend. You can do that with volume profile indicator, ideally with flexible volume profile indicator, which you can draw over the uptrend area. Now the closest significant volume zone within this uptrend is this one. Those heavy volumes on volume profile show that there was a big institutional activity right here in this little rotation within the uptrend. It is telling us that the buyers who were pushing the price upwards were adding to the long positions in here. As you can see, another aggressive buying activity started from this place, which also is telling us that those guys were strong and aggressive buyers adding to the longs here. So what we have here is this support at 0.6444. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. And when the price reaches this support at some point in the future, it doesn't need to be today or tomorrow, it could be next week, it doesn't really matter. But when this pullback occurs, then it is likely that there'll be a reaction from those buyers who should defend the longs which they placed here. And those guys should become active again and push the price upwards from there again. All right. This is the trend setup. As I was saying, you trade this when there's a trend. You look for significant volume clusters and you trade pullbacks to those volume clusters. All right. So that's the idea behind this support. The same setup as I showed you yesterday, and that played out really nicely already. Now, if you guys are interested in learning all there is about volume profile trading, then I recommend visiting my website. It is trader-dale.com. You click this button which says Browse Courses, and it will take you to this page. There's a pack which is called the Elite pack, and it is educational and indicator pack, which is designed for everyone who wants to master volume profile trading. There is a video which you can watch that will show everything that's included in this pack. Now, if you are interested in order flow trading, then I recommend checking out the order flow pack. Again, there is a video which you can watch that will show everything that's included in the order flow pack. All right, so that's the volume profile trading, order flow trading, and if you are interested in both, then I recommend getting this combo pack that includes both those pack together. All right, so that's about that. That's about the video. I hope you guys like it, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video. Or if you decide to join one of my courses, then I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.